Oh, what happened? Okay. I got it. Oh my god! Grrr. This is actually a weird bug. Meow. Grrr, grrr. It's like I own the sky. Air clouds. Miss. Ay. I'm really bad at this game because I'm still new, just learning. Bruh. Dude, it's like yum 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 pew. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum oh. I thought that was a bug. What could that layer possibly be? Huh. Strange. Oh, there it is. Smoke! Let me get that. Me 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 me. Bro, where'd he go? Seram. A dog fight be like. not even stand a chance with this guy. Anyway, store something new special. RPG. Huh. Accuracy. Negatively not accurate. What's this? Oh, a mod of minigun. Anyway, back to servers. I hope everybody's still playing this game. Fire. Hello? What? Is that 6-7? Bro, why is 7 in here? Oh yeah, right. Wow, I'm going to the moon. To the moon. Hello? Oh. Yeah, I don't Did. Oh my god, bro. Why 6-7? Get out of alone, you motherfucking aliens. This is my country. Nah, just kidding. This is not my country. You what? What's that? Is that Morse code? No, I guess this is a little bit too unfair, but it's still kind of fun actually. I'm having fun already. Oh, hello Among Us. Remember, why is there Among Us in here? Anyway. Jetpack. To the moon. Hello guy. Hello. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Yeah, kick that Morse code guy. Kick that Morse code guy away. Everybody is voting for yes, but I don't know. So why are there bro? Oh, bro, I'm stuck on. Oh, help! Help! I'm stuck in here. No. Chicken wing. I'm oversized. I'm too fat to fit in the door frame. Somebody help me. I'm literally too fat to fit even in the door frame. What I'm gonna supposed to do with this? Congratulations, I'm oversized again. Bro, why I look like I'm oversized or something? Oh, Jaden's bus is full. Well, I guess I guess they didn't fact. Huh. I'm too fat to even fit in the door frame. Angry rooster. More like angry birds. Oh, what's that? Is it that the new Rusty Chevrolet? Ah! Oh, it's in behind. Hello? Somebody here? Anyone? Oh, you're right. There's no voice chat in here. Only message. And I don't know what the hell's wrong with these people and why they only spam that. Also, sometimes they're Russian, which I don't know what are they saying. Oh, is that really Paula? Then bro, I literally hate being a big goose. I literally hate being a big guy at this point.